Good day and welcome to the PoE prototype of the Schedule Sheriff app. As in the previous iteration of the app, the user logs in with their username and password before clicking the login button. They are then greeted with their home screen interface, which houses all of their tasks. As seen, this user has already used the Schedule Sheriff app before, so they already have data, such as tasks and categories, created. The data is present due to the use of the Firebase real-time database, which will be discussed further later. By clicking the icon at the bottom left of the screen, the user can still access categories, create categories, or filter categories. The user can also change the tasks displayed on the category based on their due dates. Likewise, tasks can also be filtered from the home page. By clicking on the Add Task button, the user can create a task in the same way as before, and the function to add an image to the task is still available. One of the changes in the app is the location of the navigation to the profile overview, which was located in the setting interface. Now it sits on the nav bar through the person icon. On the profile overview interface, the user can change their profile avatar. This is also where they would add their minimum and maximum time that they would like to work as their daily goal, which can be saved to the user in the database by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the interface. Daily goals can be set as hour using whole numbers or minutes using decimals. Once the user has set their min and max goals, the countdown timer in the home screen will automatically start and the progress bar will update based on the timer. The timer is persistent and will maintain its time even if the app is closed or the user logs out using the Sign Out button in the settings page. Once the user is back in the app, the timer will resume. As before, when the user selects the play button, they will be navigated to the timer interfaces. Only, in this iteration of the app, the Pomodoro timer works. Both timer interfaces, which can be accessed through the toggle, display the category and task information related to that task. On the regular timer, the user has the option to start the timer, stop it, and reset and save. Every time a user clicks the Reset and Save button, they earn trophies. This forms part of the gamification of the app. The trophy rate is 25 trophies per minute, but this can be changed in future to better suit working hours. Here we can see that when the minimum daily hour goal is reached, a message appears notifying the user of the achievement, and the progress bar will update. A new interface that was added is the Report interface, accessible through the View Report button of the home screen. Here, the user can generate reports to view how much they've worked by either selecting a start and end date and selecting the Generate Report button, or by simply selecting the Monthly Report button. Both buttons generate a report for the user, showcasing the total hours they've worked for their selected days. It also shows the min and max the user has set, and based on how high the bar graph goes, the user will be able to see how well they've met their minimum and maximum goals. The first added feature, in regards to the PoE requirements, is the option to export all the user's data as a CSV file. Simply by selecting the Export Report button, the user will get taken to their external CSV viewer application. The data exported is everything pertaining to the user, except their login and password. From there, the user can use that file as they see fit. The next new feature is accessible through the Profile Overview interface by clicking the View Trophy Path button. This is the gamification of the app. The game for the user is to earn as many trophies as possible to go from Outlaw to Sheriff, thus becoming their own Schedule Sheriff. This progressive rank is shown on the left-hand side of the screen in a vertical progress bar. Users are notified when they rise in rank. The user can also see this progress in the profile overview, in the rank progress bar there. Trophies can also be earned using the Pomodoro timer. The Pomodoro timer uses sessions to manage the user's time. Each session includes a 25 minutes countdown timer, in which the user is meant to work, and a break that lasts 5 minutes. There are 4 sessions. The first 3 are the 25-minute countdown and a short 5-minute break. The last session has a long break, set to 15 minutes. This Pomodoro timer allows the user to skip a break if they would like. Trophies are earned by completing the entire Pomodoro. When the min and max countdown reaches the end, the countdown is set to a "Time's Up" message. Then, as before, the notifications are accessible through the bell on the home screen, where the user can view their notifications from the app and close them by checking the checkbox. The settings screen allows the user to customize their notification options, themes, and volume, as well as sign up. Another user can be added using the Sign Up button in the login screen. The user can enter their details in the Sign Up page as before to create an account. Then they must log in. User data is unique to the individual and can only be accessed when using that user's account, so tasks, categories, and your trophy rank are your own. Here we can see another user's account and their details, tasks, and everything else are different to Alexis. Let's check back in with Alex's account to see if his details have changed or have been affected by the other user. And as we can see, his data remains unaffected. As mentioned before, all data is stored in the Firebase real-time database. This ensures reliable access and real-time synchronization. All the user's data gets saved here, all under their user ID. Even their uploaded images get safely stored in the Firebase database. This allows Schedule Sheriff to have multiple independent users and protect and secure each user's data. Thus, each user has a bespoke experience in the app and can change goals, settings, and tasks to suit their unique needs. Thank you for your time. From the Schedule Sheriff team.